Welcome to Godrej Riverine, where the charm of flowing water meets the luxury of modern living. Imagine waking up to the symphony of flowing water, the serenity of cascading waterfalls, and a lifestyle inspired by the gentle flow of riverside beauty. Situated in the heart of Noida, Godrej Riverine brings you the ultimate blend of nature and modernity. Nestled in Sector 44 with a floating river theme that brings you closer to the peace and tranquility of water. Spread across 6.14 acres of prime land, this prestigious project consists of 4 majestic towers with rising to an elevation of 23 floors. Godrej Riverine offers spacious and thoughtfully designed homes in various configurations to suit your lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a 3 BHK or a 4 BHK, there's something perfect for everyone. Here's what you will find. Tower 1, 2 and 3 offers 3 BHK plus utility in 2616 square feet. 3 BHK plus powder room plus utility in 3007 square feet. 4 BHK plus utility in 3446, 3541 and 3847 square feet. And then there's iconic 4 tower offering 4 BHK with servant apartments in 4208 square feet and 4234 square feet. Perfect for those who seek unparalleled luxury and space. Every home at Godrej Riverine is designed with the floating river theme. Spaces inspired by the beauty of flowing water. From your balcony, enjoy the peaceful vistas of cascading water, lush green landscape, and the Noida Golf Course. Godrej Riverine isn't just a home. It's a lifestyle with top-tier amenities designed to elevate your living experience. Every day feels like a retreat. Indulge in a swimming pool to unwind and relax. A fully equipped fitness center to keep you active. A spacious clubhouse for socialization and relaxation. Indoor games and a kids play area to entertain the little ones. 24/7 security to ensure peace of mind. A jogging track amidst the lush greenery of your morning walks. Guys, let's also talk about location, an essential factor in choosing your perfect home. Godrej Riverine is strategically located in Sector 44 Noida, one of the most sought after and well-connected areas of the city. Enjoy excellent connectivity to major roads and highways like the Noida Greater Noida Expressway and DND Flyway. The Noida Golf Course is right at your doorsteps, offering stunning views, while the Botanical Gardens add to your charm and tranquility of your surrounding. Key landmarks such as Genesis Global School and APGS School are just a short distance away, making it the perfect choice for families. In addition, healthcare facilities like Apollo Hospital and Max Super Specialty Hospital are easily accessible. For working professionals, SCL Technologies, Skymark 1 in Sector 98 and other major employment hubs are just a stone's throw away, reducing your commute time and enhancing work-life balance. At Godrej Riverine, we believe in sustainability. Designed with modern architecture, our homes not only offer luxury but also incorporate eco-friendly features like rainwater harvesting, energy-efficient appliances, and green building practices. Godrej Properties is committed to creating homes that blend seamlessly with nature while offering a luxurious living experience. Well, why should you choose Godrej Riverine? Let's recap the key reasons. Located in Sector 44 Noida, one of the most prestigious areas, spacious residences designed with luxury and comfort in mind. State-of-the-art amenities to cater to your every need, from fitness to entertainment. A trusted brand, Godrej Properties, known for excellence and quality. So, if you're considering an investment in Noida, Godrej Riverine is a perfect choice. With Sector 44 being a prime real estate hub, this is a location that promises great returns in the future. Located near major highways, metro stations, and commercial hubs, this area is highly desirable for both home buyers and investors. Godrej Riverine is ideal for a range of buyers. Home buyers looking for a spacious, luxurious home in a prime location, investors seeking properties with high return on investment, or families wanting a peaceful yet well-connected community. So, come and experience the charm of living by the river at Godrej Riverine, Noida. Luxury, tranquility and connectivity all at your doorstep. Book your dream home today. For more information, contact us on the number provided on the screen. Thank you for watching.